everyone, it's Nika here and welcome back to my channel. So once again for today I will be doing a review for the new item, and this item is one of the very rare collection of Rebecca Minkoff. So the item is in here right now. As you can see, based on my previous review about Rebecca Minkoff, this one is totally in a different category because this one is on a crocodile pattern. This is not a real crocodile skin, but this is a real crocodile pattern in genuine leather. And here it goes. I am unboxing it for you so you guys can see how it looks like. This is the actual appearance of the bag, and basing on my personal review, the bag is just so amazing, perfectly amazing, that every woman should have this bag. Alright, moving forward, the bag itself is not so big. As you can see, this is the dimension of the bag, and this is the actual size of the bag. If you can see it, this is just how it looks like. And the side of the bag looks like this, exactly as the very, very modern bag with a back pocket. So the entire material is made on a genuine leather, and this just a very amazing crocodile skin pattern and in genuine leather. This bag is on the series called Jean MD Shoulder. Alright, you can wear a lot of stuff. You can even just wear it as a clutch, a crossbody, and a shoulder bag. Based on my personal review on this bag, this is, if I'm going to rate this from 1 to 10, in which 10 is the highest, I would say this one is 9.8. I do love the design of the bag. Very, very amazing, and it's on a silver classy hardware. When I say hardware, this refers to the metal items attached to the bag, and these are all gorgeously glossy silver hardware. And the way you open the bag, you just have to do like that, and you see how amazing the bag is. I do have, you can see the full details of the bag. I will be attaching the full details of the bag for you to be able to see it. And the final overview of the bag is just this one. It has a very minimal name of Rebecca Minkoff, and at the back of it has the metal plate of Rebecca Minkoff. The good thing about the bag is that it has this crossbody strap. You know, as you all know, we all wanted to have a different ways of wearing it. And the good thing about this bag is it has a different adjustment as well. So it's perfectly simple bag. It's an everyday bag. You can use this daily, nighttime, very casual, but you can also do this in a semi-formal way of wearing this one. Now, the good thing about this one, this is, by the way, the attached document and the how do you call this one? The papers that comes from the bag, because it's brand new, and this is all the way from the US. And if as you can see, this you can attach the claw of this crossbody to the end, both metal that you can wear. The bag itself is just so perfectly amazing. You see how gorgeous this one is. And my review for the bag, actually, like I said, it's 9.8, I guess 9.8, which 10 is the highest, by the way. So this is very recommendable. Anyone is interested in this, you can always visit this on my Instagram, and you can also message me for inquiry, and I'll let you know for the price for this one. Absolutely, this is at the lower cost because it's already from me, and this is highly recommendable. And the bag and the item, it's also a brand new item. Once again, this is from Rebecca Minkoff, and I did a proper package to show you guys on how to wear the bag, so I hope you can enjoy it. So here it is. So I hope you have enjoyed the demonstration of the show. And you know, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I get upload a new video from my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now!